Hi guys, so today I'm doing a review of Happy Feet 1 to 2 box. I actually got this today. And so yeah, see you. There's the top. There's the bottom. There's the side. And there's the back. This U contains Mole Thread and Scary Moments Universal Super for All. I've only seen Happy Feet. I haven't seen Happy Feet 2, so I bought this so I can watch the second one, and I can watch the first one because I haven't seen the first one in a long time. I saw it when it was when it came out because I had it on DVD. It was recorded. Actually, I watched it around when it came out, so I might watch the first one and the second one. So open this up and see what's inside. Here's Happy Feet. It's a U. The side. There's the back. It's U. Scary. Contains Scary Moments Universal Super for All. And there's the disc. Here's Happy Feet 2. It's a U. There's side. There's the back. It's U contains Mole Thread Universal Super for All. And there's the disc. So yes guys, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.